And this is for the day. Like this is for today. I made about like 3 racks for today. Almost 4 racks. And you could have sold from here to here. Like I said, get in. Like, did you see price going in the direction that you know is going in, like right here to here? And you see price is making a higher, it made a new higher high. Once price makes a higher high, it's going to make a higher low. And you could have sold that if you feel like price is going in your direction. Like the market can do whatever it wants. Like, go off what the market is showing you. If the market is showing you sales, go in for sales. If the market is showing you buys, going for buys. Like, it's so many things you can do with this market. I just don't want y'all to, just take my advice. Take my trading strategies and add it to your game, add it to your strategy. And use it. Show me that send me some screenshots, whatever you want to do. Let me know that these strategies worked out. These strategies are you know are good for you. Um, you can do whatever you want. This is just my analyst. This is just my charts. On my ideas on how I trade. You could do whatever you want. But like I said, with price showing you sales, get in for sales. Price showing you buys, get in for buys. Like, but the overall trend is an uptrend. Like, candles are still above this uptrend. Like, candles are still above this trend line. So we're still in an uptrend. Um, on 1 hour. We're still in an uptrend. We won't be in a downtrend until we see a break of this trend line. And once we see a break of this trend line, then we'll be in a downtrend. But we haven't seen that yet. So we're still in an uptrend. We're still looking for buys. So this whole week we were looking for buys. We were looking for buys this whole week. As you can see, as the daily was going up, this whole day, this whole week, these last 1, 2, 3, 4 days, you could have been, we're looking for all buys because, the last week before that, price was going down. So like, it could go down 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1, 2, 3 weeks it went down, 2 weeks it went down, 2 weeks up here went up. It can do whatever it wants. Like the market can do whatever it wants, but we knew that price. We knew price was heading back up. Um, I felt like price was heading back up, and it was, and it has been heading back up. So once price, hits your take profit, get out. Get out the trade. Like I got out the trade. Like once price hit my take profit, get out the trade. Um, and just wait, see what price is going to do. Like I see price, heading up to 1830. It's not there yet. It's kind of like rejecting. They're going to retest. The day's almost up. It's 3:23 p.m. right now. It's going to retest and then head back up to 1830. I do see that. I see price, bouncing off this trend line one more time. I do see price, bouncing off this trend line one more time. Like I see price, bouncing off this trend line one more time. I don't really like that color. That let's use the brush. I do see price, doing something like this, making a lower high, making a higher high, a higher low, making another lower low, making another lower high, and then making another lower low, and then bouncing back up. I can see price doing that. Making a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, bouncing off this trend line before heading back up. I do see price doing that. Sometime, by tonight, going to Thursday, I see price heading up here to 1830, definitely bouncing off this trend line. I don't see price doing this though. I don't see price doing this yet. I don't see price this. It could do this too. It could just head down, straight down, like 1830, 1811, and then head up. I can see price doing that too. I can see price doing this too, heading straight down. Price could do that and then head back up. But as said, I don't see price doing this. I don't see price doing this stuff. I don't see prices shooting all the way down here. Like price not going to just do that. And then just head up and just break back down. Like I don't see that. And if I do see that, I'll let y'all know and I'll explain that and break that down why I seen price doing that. But price won't just break structure like that. Um, it just won't do that. Like it can, but I don't see it doing that. If it do, it has to retest off this trend line anyhow. And this trend line, this uptrend, is no longer valid if it does do that. Now we're looking for sales. Um, you know, but like I said, we just got to go off of what the market is showing us. Like you see, I'm showing y'all different examples because the market moves very, very fast, especially with gold. Sorry about that. Gold likes to move very, very fast. So gold likes to move very, 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 very fast. So like I said, like in the last 4 days, it got all the way up here. In the last 4 days, from 18 literally from 1780 all the way up to 1830 in the last 4 days. It got up there. So gold likes to move fast. You have to be someone that has an eye for the market. That you have to adjust to what the market is showing you. Like if the market is showing you, okay, downtrend, cool. He's showing you a counter trend. This is a counter trend when you sell against the overall trend. You see the overall trend is an uptrend, but we're selling against the overall trend. All right, cool. Boom, sell that. Make that 2, 3 racks, whatever, 4 or 5 racks, right? Depending on your lot size. But know that this, once price breaks this trend line and it's going, or once the price bounce off this key level, it's going to head back up. It's going to shoot back up, and that's exactly what price did. It shot all the way back up. And if you can't adjust fast enough, that's why you have to be able to adjust to what the market is doing. That's all we're doing is just seeing what the market is doing and adjusting to it. You have to see that. You have to see like, okay, I know price, Nature, aka Nature, our mentor, he told me this, that that once price hits this key level, or once price breaks this trend line, get out the trade, because we're now looking for buys, and the candles are still above this trend line, so we're really looking for buys. Is why I don't really like to teach y'all to counter trend that much, and trade against the overall trend, but you could do it. You could sell that. I made 1,000 to almost 2,000 off of that yesterday, last night. So you could do that, but just know that price is going to shoot back up, and gold likes to move very fast, and you have to adjust to what the market is showing you. The market showing you buys, adjust to that and get in for buys. And the market showing you sell, adjust to that and get in for sell. So that's all that you really have to know. I'm going to show you, I'm going to be breaking down more content, of course, giving y'all more information. But you just gotta know when price will reverse. Like price reversed it at this level, at this 15 level, and you didn't know that price is going to reverse. It likes to reverse at this 18-15 level, and it was just a retest. The overall trend is an uptrend. Then you would have got stopped out. You would have lost a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? You could have lost a lot of money. If you're thinking, oh, price is just going to head down. No, price shoots all the way back up, and it shot all the way back up, depending on your lot size. That could have been a $2,000, $3,000 loss. Like the best believe, I don't show y'all my losses like that. But best believe I take some losses some here and there, and and I think price is going to retest again, and it doesn't retest again, and it shoots all the way up, especially with gold. I'm gonna show y'all a more smoother pair like GPUSD next. But gold likes to move very, 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 very fast. So you have to adjust to the market. It will reverse on you, and you will lose a lot of money or blow your account. Um, so I just want y'all to be aware of that. Like I see price hitting up this 1830 level, even though it's reversing, it's trying to reverse or retest back down. Price should hit this 1830 level before actually heading back down. So price hasn't broke this trend line yet. Price is still in an uptrend. If you would have got in anywhere, at all these entries, you would obviously be in profit right now. You're still in profit the whole time. So so yeah, again, it's lit. I'm gonna be posting more videos. Gold is overall going up, and I got y'all, gang.